Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are on the LaFontaine Subaru website. Once you've found the inventory that you're looking for, simply select that vehicle or click on Personalize your payment. Our payment calculator works in real time, so you can choose from lease, finance, or even pay cash. Select your down payment, then you can select your term, how many miles per year you drive, and then continue. Once you've completed registration, move on to the next step. It's important that you do so. All of your local incentives, also your taxes are going to be configured once you do this. If you have a trade-in, no problem. Simply click and enter it here. The same goes for a lease return. You can still review your down payment, also your terms to select here. It's important to know that you can still make changes. You can't break this tool. Now that you've selected your vehicle, calculated your payment, you can either use a estimated credit range or you can apply for credit in minutes. It's totally up to you. Set your appointment for the date and time that you'd like to come in and do a test drive or take delivery of your vehicle. Our document uploader makes it very simple to save time by uploading your driver's license and insurance ID cards. Next, a summary of your vehicle selections. Just click Confirm this deal and it's all locked in. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.